Hello, girls and boys. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. It feels like we haven't seen each other in a long time, doesn't it? Um, Anyways, here we are. So very exciting. I'm excited. I'm sure you're excited. Lots of awesome, fun, amazing things to do today. So, what do I like to say? Let's get this party started. Okay. So, let me watch this. I've learned how to do this. Whoa. You see that? And I come in close. Whoa. And I go away. Hold on, let me try it again. Whoa. Isn't that fun? Okay. All right, so boys and girls, I know you're getting good at counting to 10. But I wanted to do, maybe this other way. I wanted to do it like this. We have a number path down here with all the numbers to 10. And then we have towers, right, representing each number. So 1, there's 1 cube. 2, there's 2 cubes. 3, there's 3 cubes. 4, there's 4 cubes. 5, there's 5 cubes. We call these connecting cubes because I'm going to zoom in again because it's so much fun, because they connect, right? You've done these before. You can pull them apart. You can put them together. It's like so exciting. Okay, so let me put that back and zoom myself out of here. Bye-bye. Oh, there I am. Okay. There's 6 cubes, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes, okay? So I'm going to count, and you are going to count with me. Nice and loud so I can hear you, okay? Can I hear you? I don't know. Who knows? Who can say? All right, here we go. Let's see. I'm going to go, I'll start with 1, okay? Actually, you know what? I'm going to start with 0, because 0 means there's none. So we're going to say 0, which means there's nothing, and then we're going to count up. Okay, and you're going to do it with me. All right, so you ready? I'm going to go mark, get set, go. Ready? Mark, get set, go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, excellent job. Now we're going to do it one more time. While you're counting, I want you to notice what is happening to these towers. What's happening to them, right? I want you to look very carefully. Okay, let's do it again. This time I'll use my finger to point, okay? Okay, mark, get set, go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, excellent job, excellent job. Are you counting? Nice and loud, okay, good job. So what do you notice? Do you notice anything about the numbers? So you might notice that they keep getting bigger and bigger, right? I mean, that makes sense. We're counting up, right? They're getting bigger and bigger. You might also notice that how much bigger do they get each time? Like, how much do I need to add on to the 1 to make it a 2? How many cubes would I need to put onto 1 to make it a 2? How many cubes would I have to put onto a 2 to make a 3? I want you to think about that, okay? Tomorrow, we're going to discuss it. All right, so one more thing we're going to do here is I'm going to blow your mind. Are you ready? Hold on to your mind so your brain doesn't explode. Here we go. We're going to count. Let me get closer so you can hear me. We're going to count backwards. What? Oh my God. I can't believe it. Backwards, Mr. McAndrew. You can't count backwards. Oh yeah, well watch me. Are you ready? I'm going to do it. You watch. And then you're going to do it with me. Okay. So all you have to do right now is like sit back, relax, watch me do the work. Okay, here we go. I'm going to use my thing here. Okay, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nothing there. So I did it. I counted backwards. Okay, now you do it with me. All right? This is very exciting, boys and girls. It's very, very exciting. Okay. I'm going to use my finger this time. Okay, ready? Count with me. I'm going to say mark, get set, go. Mark, get set, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, nothing. Hey, how'd you do? All right, I want you to practice, boys and girls. Just count things around your house. Count up, count backwards, right? Just have fun with it, okay? It could be anything, it could be buttons or silverware, just as long as your parents are okay with it, okay? Don't like do anything that you're gonna get you in trouble. Okay, so let's move on. All right, the next thing we're going to do is I want you to take out your math packet. All right, it looks like this. Okay, it looks like that. So take this out. Your teacher would have given it to you. All right, and I'm going to tell you what to do from there. Let me get bigger again so I can pause it. All right, so take out your math packet. All right, so boys and girls, you're going to do some more cutting. If you like cutting, great. If you don't like cutting, what can I tell you? Okay, so you have some dot cards, 1 to 10. I want you to like cut these out and hold on to them. We'll be using them all week and even like further on after that. So, okay, so cut them out. There's 1. We're going to get into some bigger numbers. So 2, and then there's a few more on this page. And then I want you to cut out your number cards. So there's a lot of cutting. Maybe one of your parents could help you with this. That would be kind of nice. Maybe your teacher could do it a little bit with you in class before you head out. But nevertheless, we need to get these cut out right around the black. Okay, right around the edges. Take your time. Do a good job. Okay? They should end up looking like this. Okay? Like this. All right? So you need some scissors. Cut those out. Once you have done that, okay, you're going to need... Actually, today, to be honest, you only need your dot cards. You don't need the number cards. But if you want to just cut them all up now, that's great. So cut out the dot cards, at least. Okay? And then when you're done with that, come back to the video. All right? And we'll do the next activity. Okay, so pause the video. Cut those out, and I'll see you in a minute. All right, boys and girls, welcome back. How did the cutting go? You getting better at that? I know, those scissors can be like a little bit cumbersome, right? You're getting there. You're doing good. All right, so what you need, actually all you need right now, after all that work, is your Rekenrek. Okay, you are going to need your dot cards later, but not right this second. Okay, so just put those to the side. Okay, so you take them, put them to the side. All right. You've got your Rekenrek. Should be in your math bag. We've done these before. Okay. So I'm going to use my dot cards, and I'm going to put down a card. So for example, let's say I put this card down. Let me move this up a little bit. Okay, how many dots do you see? Show me number of fingers. How many dots do you see? So I see 7. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So that means what we're going to do is we're going to show 7. I'm going to cover up the top of it. You don't have to cover it up. I'm just doing it to make it easier for you to see. And then I'm going to slide 7, like we've done before. Not all at once, but one at a time. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, that's how I would do it. Okay, are you ready? All right, so I'm going to take my dot cards. I'm going to shuffle them up. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. When you shuffle, you have to sing the shuffle song. It goes like this. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. It makes it like way more interesting. Okay. All right, are you ready? Let's bring these back. You know, I'm going to get rid of this. We don't need that. All right. So you remember, you can just slide them like this. Slide, slide. Okay, you want them on the right-hand side. Make sure there's red and then white, just like I have it. Okay. All right, and I'm going to turn a card over, and there you go. What number is that? How many dots do you see? Show me fingers. How many dots do you see? Do you see 4, 5, or 6? I see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now I want you to slide over 5 counters. Either the top or the bottom. I recommend the bottom. It's just easier. Okay, and then count out loud like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. if you make like interesting sounds, it makes it more fun. Okay, so like if you go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's boring. Okay, but if you make it more exciting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like way more exciting. You see what I'm saying? Okay, let's do another one. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Bam. Oops. How many dots do I have now? Show me fingers. How many dots do I have? How many dots do I have? Did you say 5, 6, 7, or 8? I think it's 7. Do you agree with me? Well, let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, so here we go. You do it now. You slide your counters over and count in a very interesting, entertaining way. Okay, go. Count to 7. I'm not doing it. You're doing it. Okay, good job. Good, good, good. Did you go like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you do that? Excellent job. Okay, let's do a couple more. Here we go. What number is that? Oh, it's a smaller number. That number's how many fingers? Yeah, 3. That shouldn't take long, right? 1, 2, 3. All right, nice and loud. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oops, 1, 2, 3. There's 3. Okay, let's do maybe one more. What time is it? Let's do one more. Okay. Let's get a good one. Let's get one that's a little bit more challenging. You guys are very good at this. Oh, here's a good one. What about this? Oops, move my Rekenrek. How many dots do you see? Do you see, let's see, do you see 8, 9, or 10? I see 10. Am I right? Let's see, I've got 4 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, so now you do your Rekenrek, right? Count out loud, okay? And move them one at a time. Did you go like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent job. All right, boys and girls. We are going to do one more thing, okay? And then I want you to do some of your iReady today. It's the program online that your teachers have been showing you. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. You know what, boys and girls? I actually think we've done enough. You've done a really good job. What I want you to do, though, is make sure you keep these dot cards. Okay, make sure you keep them in a very safe spot. Okay, because you're going to need them tomorrow and the rest of the week. And if you haven't cut out your number cards yet, that's okay, but tomorrow you'll have to cut them out. Okay, boys and girls, great job today. Remember, you can count anything. You can count cars, you can count wheels, you can count anything at your house. You can count leaves on trees. Numbers are everywhere, okay? Wherever you go, there they are. You can also count your fingers, your toes, you know, pieces of hair if you can do it, whatever you want. All right, have fun. That's the whole point. Get lots of counting, and bonus, start counting backwards, right? But hold your brain when you do it so it doesn't explode. All right? Okay. See you later. Bye-bye. And don't forget to do iReady. Do like 10, 15 minutes at most, okay? All right. See you later. Bye-bye.